Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí iléeṣẹ́ wa. Ní báyìí, ọwọ́ àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà, ọwọ́ wọn ti ń bọ́ báyìí o. Ọwọ́ wọn ti ń bọ́. A ti sọ fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá pé ká má padà lórí no going back yìí náà ṣì ni. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tá a bá ti lè fẹnu sí wípé a fẹ́ lọ, tá a bá fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ tún rí ìdánilójú wípé àwọn pípù iṣẹ́ wọn ò ṣeré o, wọ́n serious o, kò ń ṣe pé káwọn kan máa lọ sí A káwọn kan máa gba B. Àwọn NLC tó ń pariwo pé àwọn ò fẹ́ 60,000, pé oye táwọn fẹ́ rèé o, pé 497,000 làwọn fẹ́, tí ìjọba láwọn ò gbà. Kí làwọn NLC ṣe? Wọ́n ti gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà pa ni o. Tọ́ni kí everybody wọlé pé kò síṣẹ́. At the end of the day, kí làwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wá jáde fún sí ni pé ó dáa, àti gbọ́ a máa fún yín ní 105,000 naira. Nǹkan tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn nìyẹn. Tó fi jẹ́ wípé tí a bá fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan, because wọ́n rí pé àwọn people yìí wọ́n fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan pé àwọn ò gbowó iṣẹ́, wọ́n tún wá increase ẹ̀ sí 105,000. Táwọn kan tẹ̀ yín parọ́ pé 105,000 iṣẹ́ nígbàsẹ̀ kò lè tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn. In fact, màá ka kíni fún ilédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa bá wa lọ. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is reaching us. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, on this one, I want my Yoruba people to know, to understand what it means by unity. Yes, what it means by we coming together as one. Not that some people will be, on the right side, the other people will be on the left side. It will not work out. This now reminds me of what Chief Sunday Igboho always say, that the major reason why the Igbos are one is because they cooperate with themselves. When the Igbos will say, let us sit at home, everybody will cooperate. Not that some set of people say, no, we are not sitting at home. The only leader they have happened to be Nnamdi Kanu. Then after Nnamdi Kanu was in prison, the next thing they had to choose one person, who is Samuel Ekpa now. That's exactly what it is. Not that Chief Sunday Igboho is here, Dupe Onidoti is somewhere else. It will not work. Tabati le fi mo ṣọ̀kan, ó máa dà gan. Meanwhile, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Well, this one is a breaking news. Nigerian government proposes 105,000 naira new minimum wage. All right, and then this is exactly what is actually reaching us. And then onto this one, on Thursday, the Minister of Finance and then coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, held a meeting with President Bola Tinubu regarding the ongoing discussions about a new national minimum wage. Well, onto this, the meeting which took place at the State House in Abuja also included the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning, Atiku Bagudu. Well, during the meeting, Edun presented a new minimum wage proposal to President Tinubu, meeting the 48-hour deadline previously set for him after the meeting. Edun addressed the press, assuring that there is no cause for alarm, but he did not disclose further details. Well, meanwhile, sources cited by Western Post revealed that the new template proposes a minimum wage of 105,000 naira, approximately $220 per month for Nigerian workers. President Tinubu is currently reviewing the proposal, and then an official announcement is expected soon. Well, meanwhile, the government may present this new proposal at today's meeting of the tripartite committee on minimum wage, which includes representatives from the government, organized labor, and then the organized private sector. Meanwhile, the urgency of these measures underscores the government's commitment to resolving the contentious minimum wage issue, which has repeatedly stalled negotiations. Previously, a proposed minimum wage of 60,000 naira by the government and the organized private sector was rejected by labor representatives, leading to a nationwide strike on Monday. The strike was suspended on Tuesday following interventions and then some agreements between the government and then labor groups. All right, and then this is exactly what we're actually getting right now. A lot of people do have actually reacted onto this, that the Nigerian government is set to pay at least 105,000 naira new minimum wage, meaning at least each worker. They are talking about government worker right now will be earning at least 105,000 naira. So the question right now is this: how many people are government workers? So what is going to happen to the random people out there that are not working for the government? We have said it times to that number. Either you people like it or not, as far as this country is concerned, you people need to wake up. You need to be wise. Now you are telling us you want to increase the money, though these people requested for 400,000 naira, 497,000 naira at least, but you have not accepted. Now you are coming out with 105,000 naira. Fine. If that is the case, is that going to cover everybody in the country? That's where the problem will still come up from. As far as the country is concerned, I know definitely it's only the good Lord that will help us in this country. We have seen it all these ones, they are working on, they are trying their best, because they have seen it all that the people are not ready. That's exactly what we have been telling the Yorubas. If this is what we want to go our separate ways. Let everybody follow this squarely. The government, when they see that you are serious, they will definitely allow you to go. When they see that you are not joking, not that some set of people will be saying we want to go, some people will be saying no, we want restructuring. It will not work in that manner. Look at now, togetherness. There was a strike by the NLC. Initially, the federal government said, okay, they will be paying 60,000 naira. What happened? These people rejected it. That if that is the case, no problem. We are going to shut down the whole country. When they saw that these people are serious, what happened? From 60,000, they have increased it to 105,000, which many people are still saying that this will never be enough. Because as far as the country is concerned, the economy is very hard. So now you want to increase this to 105,000 naira and now be selling fuel for 600 or 700 naira. At the end of it all, we'll still fall back to the same thing. A bag of rice now is 90,000 naira, my brother, my sister. So now you are trying to tell me that anybody you are paying 105,000 naira will not pay for transportation. At the end of it all, how much will be remaining? Meaning your full month salary cannot even buy you a bag of rice. So what kind of a job is that one? My brother, my sister, either they like it or not, with what is going on, the federal government, what they need is iron hand. That is why I've said it times to that number. Yoruba nation agitators, we need to wake up on our processes on this matter. We need to make it hard on them. It had completed 100 years of this treaty. In fact, it has even been more than 100 years. It's now 110 years right now. So why can't everybody come out? Let everybody come out. Don't let these people deceive you with increment of minimum wage or something. It's still not taking us anywhere. Either you like it or not, it's not taking us anywhere. Okay, what is the essence of you paying 105,000 naira? At the end of it all, Fulani will still kidnap you on the road. They will still buy you. They will still collect ransom. All the money you are making. You understand what the Fulani are up to? They will tell you that if you like, go to America. If you like, say you want to become governor. If you like, say you want to become doctor. If you like, say you want to become a mechanical engineer. Fulani will not tell you they want to go to any school. They don't have time for all those ones. All they are after is we want to take over your land. Everything you must have worked for, they are waiting for you there to collect everything. We need to be wise. Everybody needs to wake up. Don't let these people deceive you. Even if they are paying you that same 500,000 naira you are talking about, my brother, my sister, provided there is no security in the land, you will not be able to enjoy that money. Provided there is no security in the land, nothing will happen. Because what is the essence of you making a whole lot of money and at the end of it all, Fulani collect everything from you and buy you and your generation? I don't know if everybody is listening right now. At the end of it all, they are paying you that kind of money. At the end of it all, there is no security. I think what the NLC is supposed to do is for them to talk about the security and how the economy will come out to be better in the first place, before we now talk about, okay, fine, no, okay, have you settled this one? Let us first send this Fulani away from the country first, not the money you want to get. And then, to come to think of it, this same money they are fighting for is not for everybody. How many people are working with the federal government? How many people are working with the state government? Majority of people, when you go to the market, you see majority of people, they are self-employed. So who is going to pay those people? They say in that same economy, my brother, myself, we need to wake up. Yoruba nation is the answer, either you like it or not. No matter what you people try to tell us, we have seen it all. Because if the Yorubas, if we do not take what belongs to us right now, if you allow these Fulani people to deceive us, at the end of it all, it will still turn around. It will still turn around. The best thing right now is, let us go our separate ways. There's nothing anybody want to tell us. There's nothing anyone should tell you that they will definitely pay you that money, where Fulani people have said they are all over your forest. When Fulani people have said we have caged all of them, what is the essence of you enjoying earning that kind of money, and at the end of it all, you cannot even sleep with your two eyes closed? My brother, my sister, the needful needs to be done, either they like it or not. No wonder they've been looking away. Anytime we talk about the Akpai people in different community, most especially in Yoruba land, nobody will come out to say they want to go after these Fulani people. So you want to give us this money so that Fulani will now come and collect those money. It will not work. Everybody needs to wake up. Yoruba nation is the answer. Don't ever listen to these people. Now, majority of people are even of the opinion that 105,000 naira is not what we requested for. You must pay us that money. So now the government is saying it's not ready to pay the money, and you want us to remain in that kind of country whereby the government is not ready to listen to the people. My brother, my sister, this is another strong one. Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.